Will too much waves affect the combat performance of warships? Today, Brother Zhong will take stock. The violent turbulence of warships caused by too much. Waves will indeed significantly affect the combat effectiveness, but modern warships have been able to maintain combat capability under certain sea conditions. Through means such as rumor resolution systems, no stability technology, and tactical evasion. The following is a detailed description of the specific impact and response mechanism. First, the specific impact of turbulence on combat. First, the accuracy of weapon systems decreases, and key gun missiles are launched with roll and roll. If the launch angle is changed in time, there will be stable compensation. The hit rate will still decrease during severe turbulence. When shooting at the sea, the target is also moving, and the dual motion is superimposed, making it more difficult to aim. Second, the radar electro-optical. Tracking of the hull shaking causes the detection equipment to be misdirected, which may lose the target or generate false alarms. From the end of the anti-ship missile to the initial dispatch error of the hull, the error will accumulate to the end, increasing the number of MOPs. Third, the ability of personnel to operate is limited. Continuous turbulence causes seasickness. Fatigue affects concentration, reaction speed, and decision-making ability. In the shaking chamber, the operation is precise, and the error rate of all keyboards increases. High-risk operations such as helicopter, takeoff, and landing replenishment are forced to be terminated.